I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows 11 out of range display error step by step while I demonstrate everything on screen. So let's say you just updated Windows 11 or switched your monitor, your PC restarts, and instead of your desktop, you get this out of range message. Don't worry, this is a very common issue, and we're going to fix it right now together. Step 1. Prepare your PC for safe mode. If you have multiple monitors plugged in, go ahead and unplug everything except one. Now watch carefully, we're going to enter Windows Safe Mode. I'm going to force shut down the PC by holding the power button, turn it back on, and as soon as you see the spinning dots, force shut down again. Repeat this 2-3 times until you see preparing automatic repair. Once you see that, let Windows load. Step 2. Alright, now we are on the automatic repair screen. Follow along with me exactly as I click each option. Click Advanced Options. Now click Troubleshoot. Again click Advanced Options. Now choose Startup Settings. This is where we control the boot options. Finally, click Restart. Your PC or laptop will reboot and show a list of startup modes. Once the menu appears, press 4 or F4 on your keyboard to enter safe mode. Step 3. Fix the display driver in safe mode. Now that we are inside safe mode, let's fix the actual problem. Follow along on my screen. Press the Windows key and in search bar type Control Panel. In Control Panel select Device Manager. Open it and expand Display Adapters. Right click on your graphics card and select Uninstall Device. Make sure to tick the box that says delete the driver software for this device. Click uninstall. That's it. Now restart your PC normally. Windows will automatically install a basic display driver and your screen should come back without the out of range error. Your desktop should now be visible and working normally again. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick Windows fixes.